Imagine a world where you hold the key to unlocking your financial future. What if I told you that this key is already within your grasp? It's not hidden in some far-off treasure chest or guarded by mythical creatures. No, it's right here, waiting for you to seize it. Welcome to Knowledge is Power, the ebook that's about to revolutionize your approach to finance. But hold on. This isn't just another dry, boring finance book that'll collect dust on your shelf. This is your ticket to financial freedom, and it's written in a language you can actually understand. You see, the more you read, the more powerful you become. And with knowledge is power. You not just reading, you re-arming yourself with the tools to take control of your financial destiny. This isn't about complex jargon or confusing charts. It's about real, actionable steps that you can start implementing today. Picture this: you confidently navigating the world of finance, making informed decisions that propel you towards your goals. No more feeling lost or overwhelmed when it comes to money matters. With Knowledge is Power, you'll be the master of your financial domain. But what makes this ebook different? Well, for starters, it's not written by some stuffy economist who's never left their ivory tower. It's crafted by years of research and scientifically proven strategies from the minds of people who's been in the trenches, who understands the real-world challenges you face. It's like having a savvy financial mentor right in your pocket, ready to guide you 24/7. Knowledge is Power breaks down complex financial concepts into bite-sized, easy-to-digest pieces. It's like having a financial buffet where you can pick and choose the strategies that work best for you. Want to learn about investing? We've got you covered. Need to get a handle on budgeting? Look no further. Curious about building multiple income streams? It's all here, laid out in a way that makes sense. But this ebook isn't just about filling your head with information. It's about empowering you to take action. Each chapter comes with practical exercises and challenges that help you apply what you've learned. It's not just theory, it's about real-world application. And the best part, you don't need a degree in finance to understand it. Whether you're a complete novice or you've dabbled in finance before, Knowledge is Power meets you where you are and takes you where you want to be. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Are you prepared to arm yourself with the knowledge that will set you free from financial stress and uncertainty? Knowledge is Power is more than just an ebook. It's your personal roadmap to financial success. Don't let another day go by feeling powerless about your finances. Grab your copy of Knowledge is Power now and start your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, in the world of finance, knowledge truly is power. And with this ebook, you're about to become very powerful indeed.